All right guys, Hunter here, Precision Retrofits. Do a quick how-to video on removing a door handle on the new 2023 to 2026 Super Duty, whether it's a F-150 or 350. We're gonna take that apart here real quick for you, show you how to get it off the truck and apart real quickly. So for starters, on each door, you're gonna have a little grommet that sits right here that you'll pry off, and then it'll expose that, what is it, 5.5 millimeter little hex head. So when you're prying this, you're gonna wanna pull that handle out just like Kenny is there, and then get your 5.5 in there and loosen it until the handle pops out. But biggest thing, make sure you have pressure on that handle while you are unscrewing that. And you see there, it releases the handle from there. These newer ones, they have obviously the passive key or smart entry. We'll show you how to get the handle itself apart here, but it has this passive smart entry, whatever you want to call it there. So you can't just take the handle off without taking the door panel off in order to unplug this on the other side. So we are just going to take the handle off on the truck, and what I mean by that is this outer piece is going to get taken off from this backing. This one technically doesn't need painted, but we're just doing this for example purposes for you. So he's going to get his flathead. You can see on the inside here, there's where that white and that black meet, there's a little ridge. You're going to want to get a flathead, skinny flathead, and pry on the inside there. We'll let Kenny do his thing. If you're doing it on the truck, just be very careful, because if you slip, you don't want to scratch your door. You can kind of see he's getting in that one spot right there with the flathead, and pries it off, okay? You can see his little marks right there. That's where you're getting in with the skinny tip of your screwdriver. He's prying it just like that. He's getting in there and then twisting it just like that. You can see the lip on this piece as well. So that's how you take the cover off from the mounting piece itself. So it's pretty simple. Kenny's done hundreds of these, so it's made it look a little bit easier than it actually is. Biggest thing, just make sure you're prying in that right spot and twisting in the right spot as well. And then that cover piece will come off. But as far as removing it, it's pretty simple. I do actually want to show you when you're putting it back on, just be careful to make sure the handle is actually in when you are screwing this, because if not, that latch will pull itself all the way in without the handle being attached to it. So make sure you have pressure on that, get it in its proper slot while you're tightening that handle, and you'll be good to go. Okay, that's how you reinstall the handle itself. So that does it for the door handles, how to remove them, how to take them apart, put it back in. Pretty simple, just take your time, make sure you're careful with your flathead, taking that apart, all that sort of stuff, and you should be good. But other than that, appreciate watching. We're gonna continue, we're gonna take a couple more pieces apart, show you how to do that. So if you're interested in that, watch some of these other videos we got on this new Super Duty. But other than that, appreciate you watching. We will catch you on the next video.